or which you don't do, it don't matter. If I'm not at work, I don't get paid. Because like I say, we'll do probably the whole season of activation here next year, not long.
Get to see different drivers and cars that you wouldn't usually see at leads the way. Haven't got a name for it down there. I believe that's George Loveridge, but he's nearly gets thrown the wall instantly. 260 kp trying to take advantage of that. I believe 25 leads the way. 260 kp in second place for 380 lethal trying to come up to first. 260 kp is third. Somehow 37. Well, he's still that count, so he's getting everyone's red. As he gets close to another car in the wall, and they all collide into the wall. 301 moving up now. He is fourth now. 25 still leads the way. As 380 stuck behind the 37 again. He calls the mayhem. Always nearly caught him in the wall there. 380 struggling to get past the back marker. As already some carnage on the back straight between two Fiestas up there. Always 25 fairly straight through to the gang, gets caught out there. Still going. I'll try and get past the back marker of 87. Liam Harvey is dashed back. Oh, and he goes in the back of 1-1. That's full contact shot. 87 now getting loaded up. Understand. Standlake, and what a debut that was. Race winner 25 George Loveridge on a great display there. Sharman takes the race lead. Reggie there in the for 96. Ross Sharman already losing the lead. Race leader now, that is. Get the DJ Tyler is second. 1, 2, 3, Mark Boyle trying to get up into third, I believe, but he can't quite get it done. As OC Ryan second and fourth, that's already carnage. I believe Reggie might now get it through just fine then. Front out. Oh, that smoke is straight for the run. The Honda Jones is just completely gone up now. 746 DJ Tyler, your race leader 294. Reggie Martindale in second. OC Ryan second, open something goes wrong. Reggie Martindale left the 460 of the Coupe. 105, Louis Franklin takes it up. 306, a big one straight to the back. 4 cars in barrel. And the red straight coming out in fact. And Rory Adams in barrels up there. And what a straight thing goes to Jeff Wilson, courtesy of, I think that was Simon Kirby, was indeed. So was it Tom Castle? So that's Jeff Wilson on the back straight as well, so it's all coming apart a bit from all the old show. So what straight in, oh yes, they Silverback gets fired in by, I think that was DJ Tyler. That's the focus on, and he gets another one with Jake Town. Alan Bryant doing that the focus up there. Tom Castle in 6 of 802. And up top, straight in on Sermon. All the actions are there on turns 1 and 2 in this race. That's up. 87 goes up back at 125 Bob forward. It's all a bit of chaos out there, it's looking even more. 125 Bob forward getting on screwing, but he gives man right round up front. trying to get past there, but he's going to have to go wide. Yes, he does. And it looks like 2-3 million. Oh, look at all the fire down there. Colin Joe follow into it. Into the 110 car, Bonnie Tyler. 6, DJ Taylor, I think in second place now. 553. Luke Webb has it once again. 111 goes in on the two. He's going to go into here. And look at that, he's got it again. Oh, that's got to be a red flag, surely. Major turns off the wall. Red flags down the raceway, red flags down the raceway. Thank you very much. That's that goes out to 105 blue, 815 is blasted and all. 21 in the back of 815. What a shot from the second. 303 takes third, 115 in fourth. 160 goes in the back of 288, Chris Ford and flipping number 8, Chris Everett there. Oh dear. Avoided 87 there. 184 leads the way, I believe. 553 in second. That plays to him. 535 he's third. As all 238 gets front round on the start finish line, he's looking pretty dangerous. As the 4 cars accruing in the top 10. 459 gets front round all nearly there. Fair play to the drivers, avoiding all the chaos they could. Oh. 553, 746 in second, 7 in third, 454 in fourth, 255 in fourth, and 454 in fifth, 62 Copy's trying to get there. As we're in the arena. 294 escapes the bug, and 42 goes at the back of the Tommy Comstead that goes next. Leads the way ahead of one. Oh, look at this, a big following down there. 815 is turning alongside 197. Oh, 815 is more like Andrew Page to man. I say that the 815 gets blasted by 460 and another follower for 801 gets followed in by 160 James Ross. The red flags come out of straight in. That was the 901 of Willoughby. Does finish red off. I don't think he'll be coming back from that. Flat from flat out to flat. Takes one there, Farron Charles. Target riding head on into a half car. one from another black Focus there, can't see which one. So Aaron Charles takes the lead in the reverse of that. Jacksar goes in on Brett as well, that car's taking all manner of punishment. And he gets nailed in turn by Reese Willoughby, who's been superb in this race. Stars car. Then Germany, well, takes a big head on from Aaron Charles, that's more like it. Rawlings goes in on Charles. What's going to come out of that? Going to come in and make sure. Going for Aaron Charles. Big hit on the Focus. There's no movement from Ben Germany. Worst possible DD for 47 Matt Thompson, as it requires reversing a lot and he has no clutch. And the green flag is out, the final bit of action here at Standlake Arena. The back to basics construction derby underway. Who's going to get done first? The 37 gets done. T-Bone on the passenger side. There's so much going on, I cannot possibly talk about it. 42 tries to get trouble. Everyone's gone into the infield, but carnage has begun. In all honesty, there's not much I can commentate on this one. This 37 gets jacked up by 435 there, 95 towards Lundbridge. 125 mile also still in the action. Look out, A66 coming in here. Oh, what a shot, jacked up for number 7. 459 with MDE and 87 gets T-Bone hard saved. No, one's got a fire. Some shots down there, fucking up. 459 down, 238 goes in on Reese Butler, that's triple two. 364 goes in hard on the 238 tower. And another shot there from 862. Oh, this is madness on. Morozov on the pile up down to the other there. 265, who's he going in on? Goes in on the Fiesta. 62. He's going in hard. Oh, look at this. Oh, he goes in on the 265 car. Brilliant. Excellent. He's going to go for the first thing he can hit. 324, look now. Oh, what a shot there from number 7. 324 is out of action. 613, is he going to go in on Mario? Yes, he does. What a shot. 324 still trying. He goes in on number 7, but Mario is done. 324, Steve-O, 613 reversed. Oh, 360 goes in on 238. 22. Those are the prizes. 360 gets Steve-O there by 87. 87 is for the best friend of the Max Superior. As he goes in on number, on 222, Reese Butler. There's a beat, I love it. 96 going on 46 on Max Cornell. 4 rivals as 87 goes in on 222. Oh, look at 96, oh, what a shot from 87. 96 getting done hard there. 360 coming around. Is he going on the Sabira like a madman? Yes, he is, look at this, what a shot. Trying his might in that Fiesta. Oh, look at that, 360 going up the back of Ray. And he does, he is now back in. 222 going in once again. 87, go on, give him a slow shot. No, 87 wants this DD win. He wants to make his National Manga debut on a high. Oh, 360 going on, 324, what a T-Bone. 87, come on 87, give us a shot from Leonardo. And he does, he blows up 360. And 360 still got movement. 222 going in for a little lump to Reese Butler versus 87. Liam Harvey and a head on. Who's going to move up from this? Well, it's between 87, 222 and 360.